Hello, I'm Jake Wells with SEALBOSS Corporation. In this video, I'm going to cover the P2002 hose set and applicator for the P2002 single component polyurethane drill-driven injection pump. This hose measures 15 feet in length, and the applicator is very simple design. You have a ball valve right here. When you are injecting, you have it in the open position. When you're not injecting or moving to your next port or packer, you can have it in the off position. Moving along, we have our small bend spout for some maneuverability and our Zerk coupler. The Zerk coupler can be switched out with a slide coupler if you're using it for button head injection. Otherwise, this is going to be our standard Zerk coupler, and it fits with our Zerk fitting. So in order to connect the two, you simply want to push in on the center. You hear it click in, and knowing that you are now connected. In order to remove, you simply just move or turn at any angle, and it pulls right off. If you have any further questions about our P2002 hose set applicator, you can reach us on our website at sealboss.com. Thank you.